First grade, the last time we were together, you painted the water using blue liquid watercolors. Today we're going to use solid watercolors. To use solid watercolors, you have to actually wet the paint before you use it. So you have a cup between you and a partner and 2 brushes, and you're going to get your very own paints today. What you're going to do is choose what color you want, and then you wet it, and then you place that paint onto your fish. Be careful to not mix the colors together. You also don't want to accidentally take your brush full of one color and put it in another color. So every time you change colors for your fish, like let's say I do this body orange and I want to do his fins yellow, you got to rinse it really well. So you want to put it in the water. Then I'm going to wet the yellow. If your yellow paint is kind of messed up, I do have a solution to fix that. So I will be walking around helping you out. When you go to choose your watercolors, you're just going to take whatever on the top of the drawer. At the end of class, we are going to close them and put them back. We are going to put our brushes in the soapy bucket of water. And you are going to put your smock away and wash your hands. Remember, don't put your smock away until after you are completely done painting and everything is all cleaned up. Okay? If you want your watercolors to spread a little easier, if you paint your fish with a bunch of water for big stuff like this, and then you add the color, it will actually start to move around the paper a little easier. So you're taking your time using a small brush, nice and neat. When you have polka dots like this or designs, you're going to go around them. Then you're going to take a break from painting that fish for a while because you want the paint in the larger areas to dry. Otherwise, they will bleed with one color to the next. Bleeding means they touch each other and then they run and mix together on accident. So you want to make sure that you have enough time for that to dry before you go back in. So I'm going to skip finishing his polka dots, and then I can go to another fish while I'm waiting for that one to kind of dry a little bit. Rinsing in between each color, adding in my nice little touches, constantly rinsing. This guy over here has stripes on his back, so I'm going to paint his stripes green. And then I'm going to take a break and jump around. So that's how you do watercolors. You want to constantly be jumping from one part to another so that your colors don't bleed together. Here's a plant that I forgot to color with crayon, so I'm just going to paint it with paint. You're getting rid of all of your white, except maybe leaving the eyes of the fish white. The next time we're together, we are going to finish these up and possibly add some little bubbles with these silver decals that I have. Thank you for listening.